Alright, so this is episode 5. We're looking at a car that is definitely cut the hell apart. I got it ripped all the bad pieces off of it. And then here's kind of the cut. You can see how I took the pinch welds out here, pulled that the window sill or sill plate, whichever you call it. And then I left this structure here because that kind of holds up the tail end a little bit. I want to try to leave as much as I can. Some of that might have to be straightened out a little bit. Sitting here is the frame rail. Of course, it's still a little tweaked out, but what I'm probably going to do is cut it up into here. I just got to take a look at the rule book and make sure I don't cut it too far, but I'm pretty sure I can cut up to here. That way I can cut pretty much all the bad shit out. This side's really not that bad. I got to straighten this back up and weld it back in for the subframe mount. It looked pretty good. As far as I can tell, it's pretty solid. I tweaked my firewall up, which I talked about earlier, but now you can see it. I kind of really screwed it up when I was pulling on the strut tower brace and whatnot. So anyways, that'll be cutting apart anyway because I'd like to redo it, make it look a little prettier. It wouldn't be a bad thing to do. So pretty much that's where I'm at right now. The car came out, the car looks pretty good. Sorry, I keep beating the camera on shit. So here it sits right now. I'm going to kind of clean up the edges, get it to a point where it'll be easy to start working on whenever I can start on the two-tone car. I'll probably start pulling it out. I may just gut it out a little bit tonight and then probably call it a day. You can get back on it tomorrow. I've been kind of busting ass since about 9 o'clock. I'm pretty tired. It's hot today, so. But yeah, this is pretty much the day in the life of Andrew Lewis here, wrecking up stupid cars and trying to fix them before FD. So here's a look at some of the sponsors. I still need to add speedparts.biz and Detroit Tune on here. I just haven't had time to put the stickers on. They help me out quite a bit, especially Chris. He helps me out with parts, especially when I need it really quickly, like the body kit and wide body stuff. So pretty cool of them guys to help me out. Detroit Tune, that's where I store all my trailers, and that's where I get my alignments. And I used to use their tire machine pretty consistently until I finally bought mine. That's brand new. I haven't used it yet, but that'll be in my new race trailer within the next couple weeks after I finish this project. So I hope you're enjoying my build. This is it for now. I'll probably post some stuff tomorrow, and hopefully you can see me. I don't know. So that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoy.